Good afternoon and welcome to Souldeliciouz Kitchen. My name is Tunde and today I'm with my wife
Joyce, and today we're going to be making barbecue chicken and potato wedges using our sauces and spices. So follow our steps. Okay, so Tunde has his gloves on, so we're ready to season the chicken. Let's get started. Season the chicken using our curry spice and salt and our barbecue seasoning. So I've got 1 teaspoon of curry powder here, our Souldeliciouz curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to first of all put it over the chicken, and Tunde, you're going to help me work it in.
Okay.
Alright, so let's evenly rub the curry spice and the salt into every single drumstick. Then pour half of the bag of the barbecue sauce all over the chicken. With your hands, rub it all in, making sure that every single drumstick is covered in barbecue sauce. Okay, so we're about to grill the chicken in the oven. It'd be good for you to season it overnight, but 1 hour is fine, 1 hour to overnight, but the best taste is to do it overnight. So we're gonna put them on a baking tray. Line an oven tray with foil paper, then arrange the drumsticks neatly. You don't have to do it as neatly as we're doing it. Yes, I know it looks real neat. But once it's all done, get ready to go into the oven. Okay, so now the chicken is cooking in the oven and we're going to prepare the wedges. My husband's going to chop up the potatoes into wedge shape, so follow our steps. Show.
cut the potatoes into 2 halves and then cut it again into another half, then cut it again.
And then you have a wedge.
That's a wedge.
Chop, chop, choppity chop. Keep on chopping. Almost done. No, we're still chopping. Now we're almost done. That's it. Put it all into a bowl and get ready for seasoning.
Now that we finished cutting our potatoes, we're going to season it.
And we're going to season it with some lovely spices. And we've got some onion powder here and some paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, soft brown sugar, and some salt. And also we'll be drizzling some olive oil. Add all the spices and then add the olive oil with a set of tongs, working all the spices into the potatoes. Yes, we're using tongs. You can use your hands if you want to, but we don't want to get our hands dirty, so we're using tongs. Work it in. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't it look nice in slow motion? Oh yeah. Alright then, so you know what? You need to line a tray with foil paper and then get all the potatoes in there. That's it, get it all in there. Give it a little shake. Before we put it into the oven, let's check on our chicken. It's halfway cooked, so we're gonna need to turn it over so that the other side gets brown. So turn each chicken over with a tongue. Then put the chicken in the middle of the oven as we're gonna put the wedges at the top of the oven. After 10 minutes, take out the chicken to check for dryness. Then with some more barbecue sauce, baste over the chicken so that it doesn't dry out. Get all the sauces into the chicken. Looking really nice. Then put it back into the oven and cook until it's nice and golden. Everything should be cooked now, so take out the chicken. It's all ready now. And then you're gonna take out the wedges as well. Yeah, that's it. The wedges is nice and toasty. Let's look at that. So, in a conveniently dressed salad plate, place all the chicken and all the wedges, making sure that it looks real beautiful for all you viewers. Can't wait to have this. Oh, and then dress it with some chives. Voila! So delicious food. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Dinner is now ready for the kids.
And if you want to know how to make this delicious combo, head over to our website www.souldeliciouz.com. All details are down below on the video. Go on our website, purchase our sauces and spices so you can help make this delicious combo. Thanks again for watching.
Bye.
Foodie. Delicious foodie.